My name is Travis Winfield. I'm the team leader for the Winfield real estate team, and I did 24 years in the Navy before retiring and getting full-time in real estate. I got into real estate when I was still on active duty, and I just saw too many of my brothers and sisters in arms getting taken advantage of in an industry that I thought needed more specialization for our taking care of our veterans. So I first started doing it for about 5 years part-time while I was on active duty, and then decided to retire early from the military and pursue this full-time serving our veterans. My initial thoughts when I first heard about Sentry was, is this too good to be true? I mean, we're talking about a company that is military-centric, which is near and dear to my heart. We're also talking about a brokerage that is a flat fee, which allows me to build my own business. And then thirdly, they allow me to be an agent owner. So it's literally the best of all worlds that you could hope for when getting into the real estate industry and serving our veterans. My name is Travis Winfield, and I serve with Sentry.